Okay, hello everybody. I decided to do a little video about sharing my recent experience for a specific task I had at work for commenting PHP code and JavaScript code. And because I'm using Vim, I was thinking that maybe I could show you a little bit of the workflow I was using during that task. So what happened, let's create some sample files first. I needed let's imagine we have a file with 20 functions or something in there. So it's a JavaScript, let's do PHP file, so function 1 with a parameter 1 and a parameter 2 and yeah, let's do that for now. It's not really cool, but let's repeat it 10 times. Can I do that? Oh my god, I can't do that. But why? I have all those. I think it was in the same insertion question. Let's redo it. Let's redo it. So I will do one thing for that, and then I do another insertion. So that time it's only it's a total new command. So function 1 parameter 1 parameter 2, and I will stop here. Actually, that would be a better way, because I want to change the name of the parameter in the function. So an easy way is first creating a macro QQ. I young, I paste, I control A, right control A, right control A. I said right, but I'm hitting the L key, not the right key, of course. Going back on the first line and stop recording and repeat that macro 10 times. I have 12 different functions and different parameters, which is good, what we want. So let's go back on 11 lines ahead, and let's continue with another macro just to add the body of each function. So I have something here, body of the function. I have a return value, not every time, but whatever, return true, for example. Closing the body, blank line, escape, and go back on the next line and do that 11 times. Thank you. So we are done. We have a basic file, which is the template we will be working with. And first, let me show you what kind of blocks did I need to add to those functions. So usually functions had some blocks, but like if I do here, we had something like this. This function does that, and that's it. Yeah, I know. So the format we needed to accomplish is actually this is a function. So we needed a short description, we needed a blank line, a long a long description if needed, which could take many lines, and then we needed the actor, student, don't ask, and you see an use case which was for like L04 whatever, it was a take test. So that particular part with the AC and UC block was a bit painful. I had a list on my left monitor with a cheat sheet about those codes, but I didn't want to type those codes every time, so I created abbreviations, and I will show you how they worked, and it was very comfortable. And the next I needed the author. Let's write my name for now, and we need parameters, and we need param1, and I needed to use the type, of course, and parameter, parameter, let's say this one is an integer, param2, and then we have a return value, which is in that case a boolean. And yeah, that's what it should be looking like. So let's work together about a few things I've done. So let's create a new Vim script. So I will I will create a blank Vim script, and I will evaluate this script during the process of creating the functions, and it's a little plugin. And if something goes wrong, I can just resource it and fix it and go back and forth with my sample file and my script. So that was the workflow I had for building the tools. I wanted to, because I wanted to be comfortable with those parameters of the functions and comments. So an easy thing I started to do was abbreviations. So very important. I insert mode, add abbreviation. I think can I do that? Yes. Control X, Control V. I've learned today. It's actually an omnicomplete, and Control X, Control V gives you the Vim command completion, which is cool. So I need to, like, if I say ACS, I want it to complete to ACS student, and yeah, I don't need a space there, and I had 3 cases like this, so let's do 2 other ones, and not for S, I had like T, let's like P here and T there, so I need to do the same thing, and actually that was the parent, and that was, oops, and that was the teacher, right? So we are good with the actors. Right now we need the use case. So I will not write all the freaking use case, I don't even remember them, but let's say L01 was actually UC colon machin 0, 1, and it was like start learning. Period, very important. I forgot them and I had to fix 200 files. Thankfully Vim did that for me in less than a minute. Yank it. Let's add like, I don't know, 9 of them, because I am generous, and let's be inventive a little bit. Actually, I'm doing something stupid. Let's do a macro to duplicate it, because I need to change the number. So Control yank, paste, Control A, go there and change and escape and quit, actually. Okay, so I just have to add something like continue learning, and then I can just repeat my macro and just add contents to it. Oh my god. So learn more, which should be a dot, I said. And yeah, one again. So I want I will tell your parents, which is totally not the thing I was doing. And I how is that sounding like? Yeah, let's stop here, whatever. It's not even important. So this file is very important. I need to save it somewhere. Let's write it on my desktop, because it's just for the demonstration. And I will say commenting or comments.vim. So I just source it. I have a mapping, leader SO, which sources the file. So if I go there, I can create a new comment. Let's say here. And I use ACS space, boom, AC students, ILC L02, boom. I remove the last space and I'm done. I have a line. So that was how I inserted those actors. So it was more like something like this, ACS and UC L02. Yeah, that was very, very, very useful. A thing I was using regarding those codes was I yanked with in the Z register, so double quote Z yank. I yanked the line, the full line, so yank W, sorry, not W, Y twice, yanking the line. And when I had a new block to add, I had something like this, blah blah blah. I inserted 2 lines like this, finishing my parameters, finishing my block, and I just did that, which replaced, inserted a new line, double quote, Z and Shift P, which allowed me to just add automatically the same line as the previous functions, because usually those functions were for one case and one actor at the same time, unless specific case, but globally almost 90% of the time I just copy pasted throughout the same file the same actors, so I kept always the Z register for that. So yeah, that's another trick. Next, we need the author, and it's globally, it's quite good. We need the parameters, blah blah blah. I will fix that. So at the end of the file, I needed to fill a report about that specific file. How many how can I say, how many comments, how many functions did I comment? So for that, very easy trick, I was using a Vim command, which is a Vim grep command, counting the author tag inside without jumping to the first occurrence, because I don't care, looking into the current file and piping through, opening the quick fix, and I have 2 lines in that file. You can see in the bottom right corner, and the number 2 means 2 lines, means 2 comments that I have added with the author tag in the file, which means I have 2 functions commented in that file. So the function we want to do, let's make one. So function, the bang is for erasing any previous function of the same name, so you don't overlap them. And let's make comment. Function should start with a big C, I mean not a big C, a block letter. So function comment, comment function. What about that? And I want a text, the basic text to put in the head. So let's call it title. So, and function. So I will prepare a local variable that will contain the contents that we will pass, we will analyze, and we will put into the buffer. So that will be the comment, and it starts with a blank first line like this, with a line break and a space, a star, an asterisk. Actually, you know what? I will do one line by line. So I will stop here, and I will add another line, which will be L comment equal L comment. I think period is matching, yeah, is concatenating. You add your line argument dot title, and with a line break at the end. And let's put that in our text. Let's just test right now. Save it, space SO. Let's remove that. My god, I'm not a Vimmer. Okay, you know, that's something you should try. Good habit. Break the bad habits with good habits. When you do something wrong and you know you could do better, undo it, go back in the position where you were, and just do it properly. Okay? Okay, not perfect, but better. So, what I've just done, actually, if you just really want to know, I was on the 8th line, and you can just do, I think I should be there, and I can do D and square. I mean the square, yeah, square brace, D square brace, no, opening square brace. So I go back 1 block, so it deletes from my cursor position to the next empty lines, actually. So because the comment is 1 block, it deletes just the comment block, which is cool. So yeah, so this thing should add, oh, I didn't even finish my comment. So before comment equal L comment, and right now I need to close that comment. Do I need I think I need that. Reevaluate, and yeah, let's try. Oh, I didn't I didn't even put the mapping to test it, so mapping, no remap, let's do leader fc for a function comment, and let's call my comment function. Let's pass a to do first title, and let's activate that. So yeah, I evaluated that, just that particular line, and it doesn't work. What I've done wrong, what I've done was let at double quote equal, and then I pasted it. Sorry, I need to do a normal command. Okay, let's do this way. Yeah, it's working. Oh, that's ugly. I'm sorry for that part. I know there is a better way, I just forgot it. Fix me. I do that later. So, in between. So when we are on the line of the function, we need to yank it, and we need to analyze everything into the inside the braces, just because we need the parameters, if any. So that's the, let's write it, comment head, that's comment close. What about tail? Right? It sounds good? Yeah. Whoops. I don't want, yeah, thank you. I hate empty lines. I mean trading characters, spaces and stuff. That's why I have them highlighted, because I hate them so much. What do I want now? I want to yank the line I am on, so I can just simply say normal. I will yank, I can yank anywhere, I don't mind. And I will try to substitute first. I need to get rid of the junk. So before yanking, I need to go at the beginning of the line, yank the line, and thankfully all my function declarations were on one line. Lucky me. I just need right now to substitute and remove until the braces. Oh, you know what? I can do something even better. Let's get the content right away. What am I doing? I need to go to 0. I will then find the first parent. I will yank until the next parent. Or I could yank in the parent. Whatever. I think until is good. And I should get my stuff. So I can just do an echo. Yeah, let's not do an echo. Let's do it properly. Let's do let L comment equal L comment plus let's call it params for now, which should be prefixed like this, and let's add the end of the line. And what about let local params equal at register. Actually, I don't like the params with an S, but let's see. Should work anyway. So yeah, it's working. Nope, it's not working. I have a I have something there. Okay, let's not find that. Yeah, let's do find, and let's do one on the right. It should be working. What I need an empty line as well. So as you see those lines, I am typing them a lot, and for me it's too much. So I think we should do another function. Function which should be only for the script right now, so you can just do, I think, this prefix comment line. Do I need a black letter? Let's try. Comment line with a text, and I will just return yeah, I know. I should have done something like this. Sorry. Yeah, here we go. See, correct yourself when you do something, you know, anti-pattern. Anti-pattern, 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 right? I don't know, I'm not English. So return, and I just, I just put, and it should be working. And function, yeah, here we go. So return, which is not title anymore, it's text, yeah, and it should be cool. So here I just change until, sorry, change twice until the dot, and I need to call my great function as command line. And if it doesn't work, I cry. And I just change everything. Yep, let's do it again. Oh, actually, you know what? I can just boom, because I had the command done already. And let's delete, let's change to the, oh, I have a space here, that's bad. So let's change until reverse escape, the equal sign, yeah, see, we do stuff, command line, and yeah, that should be better. And I need to do that again. Oh no, this is just appending to the end of the command, so it should be okay. So param, yeah. I know I don't have this here, we'll do that later. Okay, let's try. It's almost working. Great. Because I forgot. Yeah, it's starting to work. So that's really great, you know. You can just reevaluate your script, go back, try, go back. That's cool. I should reevaluate that file anyway. I want to make another command, you know. I want. Oh, yep. I want a separation here, which is cool. We could do further than that, but I think that's already efficient enough. So let me try Control E. Yeah, Control E. That's really cool. What do we need? Or right now, what do we need? It's very easy actually. We just need a special replace for the parameters. So let me just do a substitute of that content with what do we want? We want to substitute the commas. So let's add commas and any other space that we might have after. Does it work like this? We want to replace with nothing but line break, space, star, space. How's that? I think I have a good feeling about it. I have a good feeling. It didn't evaluate my stuff. It's not a big deal. I have the spaces here, which is something I don't like. I should probably do a loop with an array, and for that I need a split. And I don't know how to split, I don't remember. Oh my god. Split, make a list out of expression, okay, and it usually splits with pattern. White separated sequence of characters becomes an item. White separated, okay, good, okay. Can I use a pattern to yeah, that could be cool. Oh my god, that could be cool. So I can do a split for every word. That's an interesting pattern. I like this one. I should do that. Oh wait, you can do a for on that? Split a string in individual character. It's not what I want, but that's interesting. The for loop. I've never done a for loop. Let's try. Very, very exciting. So let's do that. So let's do for word. Should I do a local word in this thingy? let's remove that. I think I need an end for. Can I do that? Let's try. I don't know. Oh, and 4. Okay. See, we learned stuff. No. And we just. Oh, I need to split you, by the way. And I need to split with words, which are not words. Not. I don't know if it will work if I haven't the bars. I need also commas. Actually, you know what? I need commas or spaces. I have a good feeling about it. And I need to just do a let L comment equal L comment plus command line param plus L word. It's starting to get fancy, huh? Am I good? Okay, the line is long, sorry for that. Let me, oh my god, I'm using the mouse. Ah! Okay, I hope I will not go to hell. It sounds good. It doesn't sound actually. It looks, grammar, looks good to me. Boom! It doesn't, it's not good enough, sucker. Invalid expression. What have I done? Oh, this one is actually very bad. Okay, I think that might have been that. Nope, doesn't like my line. Comment param plus a word. Okay, so that means detected while processing function, comment function, and non-function comment. Oh, I'm dumb. I'm so dumb. I am ashamed of myself. There we go. Happy now? Oh my god. See, Vimscripts are cool. So right now, a lot of stuff has been done already. What do we need now? We need many other things. We need blank lines. I have a title. Blank line, code, blank line, author. Yeah. So this is a blank line, so let's go. Yeah. So changing braces, blank, do it again. I need my code here, so changing braces. I've done a delete in braces, so I need to go in insert mode again, and I need to do a space, space I don't need it, to do code. So this is where I need to come and add that bloody actor and the use case code. And here should be the author, so changing params, and I have that an author, which will be me, and boom, I have spaces here. That's bad, but whatever, it's not bad. That's cool. That's seriously cool. What you can do even better. Let's continue a little bit. Right now, once I've pasted my text, when I've pasted my text, I want to look for the next to do section to comment the line or to add. Oh, I need to put the enter the correct code. So yeah, I am on the to-do line. I can just right away change something. I can just press, oh sorry, I can press N. I can't press N. Hey, I should be, what is my third register? I have a strange register. Let's do that again. Then I change blah blah blah, and if I press N, okay. So searching from the normal command doesn't change your search register. Interesting. Let's do that. Let's add slash all to do. Right now it does. So undo, and let's do it again. Yes, and it's highlighted now, so I just changed for something. whatever, I can just press N, and this is where the fun part is, because I have my Z register. I delete, and I just happen my code I took from the previous function, and we are very happy somehow. Of course, we need here the type, so I need to do like a string, something like this. I might need to do here, actually. That's an even better idea. My god, that's becoming better than the one I had at home. I mean, idea of things. So I need a to do here. Yep, sounds good to me. And yep, change here, description, next, the code, and next, yeah, thank you, and next, a string, next, it's a boolean, oops, and do we have a return? Yep, we need a return, and it's a boolean. Victory!